Hey everyone, this is your trainer from the Electronic Service Division of the Akron Summit County Library. In this segment, I'm going to talk about u- uh, sh- using complex functions or formula that is available in Excel. We have learned some of the ready-made common functions under the Home tab in the Auto Sum area. But if you wanted to find out more complex functions, you need to click on the formula. You need to click on the insert functions. By doing so, insert function dialog box will come up. And if you don't know what you're looking for, you can simply type in the area here, search for a function, any natural language. Let's say I wanted to find out about the counting some of the range of cells that has particular word in it. So I'm going to type in the word count, and if I type in the word count and then click on go, all of those functions that has relevant to the count will come up, and we have dealt with the count already. Whatever you choose in that box will be explained here. So we have dealt with count, which is counting the value of the uh, cells in the range of cells. We have dealt with count A already. If I click on the count if, counting the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. That's what I wanted to choose. I'm going to choose, select that. I'm going to click on OK on that. Now, what I wanted to count is I wanted to count all the um, cells in the column A that has the word produce in it. So my range is going to be selecting the entire column A. And I'm going to click in the criteria. I can type in the word produce, or I can simply click any of the cell that has a word produce in it. So I'm going to simply click the cell number A4. By doing so, I am counting the word produce in it. And even before I click OK, the result is giving me there are 5 cells that has produce in it. So I'm going to click on OK. I got my cell. This cell is telling me count if in range cell range column A that has the word A4, which is produce in it. So that is how you would use the CountIf function. Let's try another example. What if I wanted to count the words that have dairy in it in column A? Let's say I wanted to see the result in this cell number H9. So I'm going to select cell number H9. I can type in CountIf myself, or I can click on the insert function and use the CountIf. Let's try another way. So I'm sort of clicking the cell here equal count. By typing count, I have all the other choices came. I'm going to use CountIf, so I'm going to double click on it. The range of the cell is where I need to put in right now because that is in highlighted or bold type right now. So I wanted to count the range of cells in column A. So I'm going to select the entire column A. Then I'm supposed to click on the comma because I see comma at the end of it under the range, right? So I'm going to type in comma, and then criteria is I want to count the word dairy. So instead of I can just type in quote unquote dairy, I can simply click on the word dairy by cell referencing. That is called cell referencing, by the way. And then that is my criteria. I'm done with the criteria. I'm going to use the close parenthesis by Shift and 0. Give me the close parenthesis. I'm going to hit enter. There are 4 cells that has the word dairy in it in column A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have done CountIf. The final thing I wanted to show you, if I wanted to show or display the formula, how did I get this total cost 147? How did I get this total cost? Or why am I seeing 5 in here? Where did it come from? If you want to find out how did it get here, you select the cell and you can see the formula here. But what if I wanted to show the formula at all times? If that's the case, under the formula tab, there is a show formula. So I'm going to click right there. By doing so, your spreadsheet turns into, with this, to to a spreadsheet that has the formula, does display the formula in those cells that has formula in it. Now, the cell that don't have the formula and begin with is going to be exactly the same thing, such as the text and the fixed figure and the text again and the fixed number. But as soon as a cell include a formula, it shows you where what's in it and what's the formula is all about. Okay, so if you don't want to see the formula anymore, you click on Show Formulas one more time again. The Excel spreadsheet will go back to the view with results in it instead of showing the formula in it. Thank you for watching.